Hi, I'm Jen Wilson, founder of Jen Wilson International. With years of experience leading global teams and coaching top-tier entrepreneurs, I'm here to help you cut through the noise, clear the fog, and bring your vision into life. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a topic we all can relate to: building resilience in high-pressure careers. Whether you're managing a growing team, leading a big project, or just juggling the everyday demands of a fast-paced role, developing resilience is the key to thriving, not just surviving. We all know that stress is inevitable in demanding roles, but how we respond to it, that's what can make all the difference. So let's talk about some practical steps you can take to build your resilience, maintain a positive outlook, and keep moving forward, even when things get tough. Step 1. Redefine stress as growth. Here's some things most people don't realize. Stress itself isn't the enemy. It's our reaction to it. High-pressure situations often come with a lot of stress, but they also present the perfect environment for personal growth. Instead of viewing stress as something negative, try shifting your mindset to see it as a signal that you're pushing your boundaries. Stress means you're being challenged, and that's a good thing because it means you're growing. When you redefine stress as part of your growth process, it becomes less about survival and more about adaptation. Now, step 2, cultivate a resilience routine. One of the most effective ways to build resilience is by creating a routine that nurtures both your body and your mind. Think of resilience like a muscle. The more you train it, the stronger it gets. Here's a formula I swear by: consistent sleep, regular exercise, and daily moments of mindfulness. These simple habits might sound basic, but they're the foundation of mental toughness. Sleep helps your brain recover and process stress. Exercise releases endorphins and boosts the mood. And mindfulness, like meditation or journaling, keeps you grounded when everything feels overwhelming. Even just 10 to 15 minutes of mindful breathing or stretching can help reset your nervous system when you feel the pressure is building. Make these habits non-negotiable and watch how they fortify your resilience over time. Step 3, build a strong support system. Resilience isn't a solo journey. You don't have to carry the weight of a demanding career all by yourself. Lean on your support system, whether they're colleagues, mentors, friends, or family. Surround yourself with people who understand your goals and challenges, and who can offer advice, encouragement, and sometimes just being a listening ear. Building resilience also means knowing when to ask for help. So don't hesitate to reach out when you need support. Having someone to talk things through, whether it's to vent, brainstorm solutions, or just share your experience, can make all the difference. Now, step 4. Develop emotional agility. In high-pressure roles, emotions run high. Developing emotional agility, your ability to manage and move through emotions, is crucial for maintaining resilience. Instead of suppressing stress, frustration, or even fear, acknowledge these feelings and use them to fuel positive change. Let's be clear. Resilience doesn't mean never feeling overwhelmed. It means recognizing when you are and then having the tools to navigate through it. Journaling, talking it out, or even taking a break to gain perspective can help you process your emotions in a really healthy way and make smarter decisions under pressure. Now, step 5, focus on what you can control. When you're in a high-pressure career, it's easy to get caught up in what's out of your control, whether it's external expectations, other people's opinions, or circumstances you can't change. But here's the powerful secret to building resilience. Focus your energy on what you can control. You can't always control the outcome, but you can control your response. You can control how much effort you put in, how you prioritize tasks, and most importantly, how you show up mentally and emotionally every day. By shifting your focus to what you can influence, you reduce stress and increase your ability to stay calm and effective, even when things feel overwhelming. So there you have it. Building resilience in high-pressure careers isn't about being immune to stress. It's about learning to navigate it with strength, grace, and emotional intelligence. Now remember, stress can be a powerful teacher. With the right mindset, routine, support system, emotional agility, and focusing on what you can control, you're not only going to thrive under pressure, but you'll grow through it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more content on thriving in demanding careers.